If you are looking for a viral niche, which is grow you faster on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, so this video is for you. I found the easiest niche ever, and these channels are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars. So watch this video till the end because I can show you a complete step-by-step guide on how you can make these types of videos with the help of AI. Take a look on what we will creating today.
Fear test. If you put 5 fingers down, you're a scaredy cat. Put a finger down if you've ever turned off the lights and ran to your bed as fast as possible.
The first step is to generate a script for a video using ChatGPT and Google Bard. For the first method, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 10 "put a finger down" questions. ChatGPT will provide you with these questions, and you can use them to create your script. The second method involves going to Pinterest and searching for "put a finger down" questions. Once you find an image with questions you like, download it. Open a new tab and search for an image-to-text website. Upload the downloaded image, click submit, and copy the extracted text. Paste this text into a notepad or wherever you want to start your script. Now your script is ready. Moving on to the second part of the video, you can generate a voiceover using 11 Labs, an AI text-to-voice generator. You can find the link in the description. Sign in or sign up with your Google email. Paste the extracted text into the text box, select a voice, and click on the generate button. Your voiceover is now ready. For the next part of the video, find background videos on YouTube by searching for relaxing videos. Use the filter option to select videos with Creative Commons, which means you can use these videos without any copyright issue. Choose one you like and download it. For video editing, use CapCut, a powerful software. Import the downloaded video and your voiceover, adjust their sizes, and create a 3-second gap after each question. Make sure to add new video for each question, which makes your videos more engaging. When done editing, add a 3-second timer for each question. For captions, go to the text option, click on Auto Caption, select English as the language, and create auto captions for your video. Then, go to the animation section, choose a caption animation, adjust the font size, and place it according to your preference. Lastly, for background music, open Chrome, go to youtube.com, and access the audio library. Find a music, and download it to your device. Upload it to CapCut, and drop it to Timeline. Adjust the size. Click on Export, and download it to your device. I hope you find the video helpful. If you find it, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, for helps me to create more informative tutorials for you. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.